2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5 over 2 times 3 and 1, 1 over 1, 3, 4, 4 over 3. Then this one, sorry, division. Then you have reciprocal. 5 over 2, 3 over 4. 5 times 3, 15. 2 times 4, 8. Then 15 divided by 8, 1 over 7 over 8. But your answer is not correct.
Which?
This one. Why? What is the mistake?
Because how I did it is like I did I was doing it like 2 and
Can you write here?
2 and 1 over 2 times 1 and 2 over 1, which equaled like 1 times 3.
Oh, okay.
So
No.
2 times 1, that becomes 2, and then 1 times 3 over there would be like 3, and 2 times 1 over 2, which simplified equals 3 over 1 over 2.
Yeah. In addition, yeah, you can keep the whole numbers and do that addition or subtracting. Multiple and division, you can't do like that. You have to make it to improper fraction. Anyway, I didn't tell you that. Then write down this one and do the for me now.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, done. Done.
Done? What is second one? 24 divided by 3, 1 over.
Which would equal 24 divided by 11 over 5.
16.
No.
5 by 3, 15.
Yeah.
Plus 1, 16. Huh?
Yeah. With 5.
Then what do you do next time?
Then you switch over to make it 24 times 5 over 16. And
you can divide by?
Yeah.
You can simplify by dividing 4.
4.
Oh, 8. 8. 8 2.
No, you can't do 8.
Why?
You can't. Oh, yeah, here. 8.
Yeah. Then 3 times 5, 15 over 2.
15 over
7.5.
2.
Right?
Yep.
Then can you do this one for me now?
Mm. Yes. 7, 4, that would be 428. 4 times 4, 16. 16, 18. 8, over 8, so 1, 3, 2, 131. Yeah, done.
What is the answer?
188 over 231.
Oh, get big number.
Yeah.
Now see, 11 by 4, 44. Plus 3, 47. Divide by 4 times 5, 20. 1 plus 21. Divide by 4.
And
Oh,
then you
you are right. Then now you have to do reciprocal, no? This is upside down. Then if I write it here, first fraction leave it as it is. Next one, 4 over 21. Unfortunately, nothing can divide. Because 47 is a prime number. It cannot divide by 3.
And
Then
21.
what?
Neither can 21 be divided by
That's
4.
right. Then you have big number. Okay. Multiple this and multiple this. Yeah. This one just calculate and find less or equal. That's easy. Homework 4H, 238 page.
Two, 3, 8. What?